Okay, so this is a quick video to show you how to do an avatar descriptor in Avatars 3.0. It's pretty straightforward. I'm just going to remove the one I've made already and make it again. So you just go to Add Component, type in Avatar, select the Avatar descriptor as you did previously, and you get to set the view position. You can either set it using the values, like in 2.0. If you press Edit, you can then start moving the wall around using traditional Unity controls, which is far easier. So find the position you like for your avatar, plop it down, and click Return, and you'll store it in the right place. As for lip sync, it works exactly the same as before. Just say auto detect. If it picks the wrong one, click the drop down, click the one you need, and then drag in the mesh you need. Make sure everything's there that should be, and you're good to go for lip sync. Now we start getting things that are a little bit different to 2.0. First off, you have the eye look, so you have to enable it manually now through this and select each of the eye bones. Bear in mind, if you're using cats, it'll be left eye and right eye, or eye underscore L and eye underscore R. Just make sure you set the right one to each thing, and then you have to go into rotation states and set the rotation for each eye. So you get a preview, you can then see it has rotation points come up. You can then control these rotation points in any way you like. Of course, most people, for looking straight, you just leave it as is, and then for looking up, you want to move it so it's up. Make it sensible, of course, and hit return. Normally I just copy this, and then for down I just go into the bottom one, and then I just put it to minus, and as you can see it takes it to the opposite, but for looking down on this avatar, it's not quite in the right place, so we'll just drop it down a little bit more, probably to about there, and then we can go into looking left and looking right. So let's see, if we're looking left, we'll set it. Remember, if you're looking right, looking at it, you're actually looking left, so make sure you don't get these mixed up. And then click return, and for looking right, just copy that, and then go to minus, and we're done setting up the eyes. Okay, so the eyes are all done. Now we go to eyelids if your avatar has them, and most of them are blend shape based, at least for anime avatars. So go to body again, and then make sure you pick the blinking. It may be named something a bit strange depending on who made it. This is a Japanese avatar, so the eyes will not be named eyes. Or at least not named wink. I think it's Mabatake. Yes, it is. Okay, so that's my blink. Looking up, of course, looking up, and looking down is looking down, and that's that done. Now, everything below here is stuff to do with Avatars 3.0. So you have playable layers, which allows you to do some funky stuff with your gestures and things. I'm just going to leave that as is for now. And then you have lower body, which does all the footstep stuff, so you can disable footsteps for full body tracking. And then you have your expressions, which is of course a new rotation wheel thing they've been showing off a lot. And I think that's about it. So then all you have to do is go to your VRChat SDK, click build and test, or publish if you're ready to publish, and you're good to go.